Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I unbox the newest Hot Wheels I recently hunted. So the first one and my favorite one is the BMW M3 92 BMW E30. I've not seen one of those in a limited edition. I've already got two of them, but they are limited edition. I got one, the M with the M Power painting, and the second one I've already got is the Forza Horizon 4 Xbox. But this is the first time, as I said, I've seen one of those in a limited edition. So let's open it, and it's a German police. It's really beautiful. And it's a 2020 collection. So now I got three of them. So let's do the next one. The next one I'm gonna do is the Kia Stinger GT 2019. This is the first one I found. I've not seen them before, so I guess it's also 2020. It's really nice, and it's got the panoramic roof, and the color is really nice. So this is my first one. And then we got the 52 Chevy pickup. I've already got a few of them. This one is Mighty Max Garage, which is like rust look, really nice. I already got the green one, or I don't know what color it is exactly, green. It's also Chevy 52. Then I got the black one, Hot Wheels letters, which is the black with the red windows. And then I got the pink one, again Hot Wheels letters. And I also got one, but it's a second hand. I purchased it, I found it on car boot, on garage sale, but it's also 52 Chevy. It's got the metal bottom, but the rest of them, they got the plastic one. I also do buy them on, I'm like hunting for them at the garage sales and car boots, and as well as eBay. So this is not the only place where I buy them, like in shops. And another one is the 49 Ford F1 Orange Legends, really nice painting. I also got a few of them already. It's got the white underneath, really nice. I already have the green one, metallic, also Legends. Then I got the blue one with the flames, and another one, it's burgundy one, also with the flames. And then we got the Nissan 300 ZX Twin Turbo Police Edition. I think it's a Japanese one. I already got two of them, the white and red. It looks like a Japanese, I'm not entirely sure, but I think it's a Japanese police. I already got the white one with the red interior and the red one with the black interior. Let's put them. And then we have the Shelby Cobra 427. This is the first Cobra. This is my first Cobra. And it's also 2020 edition. So, really beautiful. Black with the red stripes and red interior. Really nice. First one, and I hope not the last one. And then we have the Mercedes A-Class 2019. Already have the white one. This is my second A-Class. So I got the white one, and now the second one is the red one. They are really, really nice. And then we have the Range Rover Velar, the black one. I'm not gonna unbox it as I've already purchased one unboxed on eBay, so I'm gonna leave this one boxed. But here is the second one, the red one, I mean actually burgundy one. So I'm gonna unbox this one as I only have silver one. So let's put that one on side and unbox the red one, I mean the burgundy one. It's got the full panoramic roof, same as the other one. It's got the black wheels. And then we got the Porsche 911 GT3 RS with really nice painting and the black matte paintwork and the gold or yellow painting. Really nice. I think it's one of my favorite ones from this collection. I already have the violet color. I also have white one and the green one. Here we have Mazda RX7 1995 blue one. Whoa. With the gold wheels. I already have the Hot Wheels Mazda black. Also have the green one. And the orange one. As well as dark blue, metallic. And here we also have Mazda RX7, but the older one, 1989. This is the first one I found. I've not seen them before. It's really beautiful red one, and it's a, as you can see, right-hand drive, so it's a Japanese, as those Mazdas are left-hand drive, and this one you can see it's a right-hand drive. And then we have the Mazda MX5 1991 yellow one. I already have what color I have? I have the blue one. It's also 1991. And I have the red one. Now we have the 57 Chevy, pink one. Oh, I think this one is it's damaged. The wheel, as you can see, the wheel is damaged. Actually, the axle is, oh no, it's fine. It was stuck inside, but it's fine now. I've already have the black one with the flames, and I also have the Valentine's, the white one. And here we have Tesla Model 3, the blue one. I have white one with the different alloy wheels. I also have the gray one with the same alloy wheels. And I have the burgundy one, also the same alloys as the white one. And here we have Jaguar XE SV Project 8, dark green color. Color is really beautiful, awesome, the metallic paint. I don't know if you can see it. I already have the orange one, or gold. I think it's orange, more orange than the gold. And here we have the Land Rover Defender 19, red one, really nice. This is my first Land Rover Defender 3-door from Hot Wheels, as I've already got a couple of them, but they are Matchbox. I've not seen it yet from Hot Wheels, the 3-door version. Then we have the Corvette C7 Z06, the white one. I got a couple of them, but most of them are convertible. White one, really nice. I've already have a non-convertible, the yellow, and I think that's it. And then I have the Corvette C7R. I got 3 of them. one Hot Wheels, the other one is Summit, and that one is also Summit, but the white one. But the convertible, I got the yellow one, I got the blue one, I also have the red one, the orange one, and even I have the Barbie edition, 59 Barbie, but it's a Corvette 2014 Stingray. And we have Toyota 2000 GT. It's a Tokyo 2020. It looks really nice. I'm gonna leave it unboxed. I'm not gonna unbox it. I'm just gonna leave it in a box. And here we have the 49 Merc. It's the first one I found. It looks really beautiful. Such a nice car. And the last one we have is Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo, the blue one. With the blue alloy wheels. I have the white one, and the gray one, the light gray, non-metallic. So that's it, guys, in this video. If you like this video, please leave the thumb up and make sure to subscribe, as I'm gonna be uploading more videos. In one of the next videos I'm going to show you my whole collection, as I got the pretty decent collection of Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Majorette and Corgi cars, so don't miss out. And also I'm gonna record the videos during the hunt, so I'm gonna record the video when I'm on a car boot or garage sale to show you how I buy the cars, so you can see how I'm doing it. And also I'm gonna do some unboxing from eBay, because I buy quite a lot on eBay, second-hand and brand new cars. So if you have any questions, thoughts or comments, please leave them in a section below. So see you in the next video.